Do you know how to find the surface area of a sphere? Well, let's take a look at how to do that. Here's a sphere. Now, one of the most important measurements of a sphere is the distance from the middle of the sphere, in the center of it, to the outer edge. And because a sphere is three-dimensional, this measurement is going to be the same no matter which direction you go. If you go from the middle to the front edge, from the middle to the back edge, from the middle to the top, from the middle to the bottom, from the middle to the right, or from the middle to the left. In this case, the radius of this sphere is 8 inches. How do we find the surface area of a sphere? The surface area being the outer covering of that sphere. Well, to do this, we can use a formula. We can say that the surface area of a sphere is found by multiplying 4 times pi times the radius. Write this down in your notebook. Here's our formula, and now let's look at our sphere once again. We said that this sphere had a radius of 8 inches. Now let's substitute 8 into this formula. So we can say that the surface area is equal to 4 times pi, which we can use 3.14 to represent pi, times 8. Now let's multiply this part first. 3.14 times 8 is equal to 25.12 times 4 will give me the surface area of the sphere. 25.12 times 4 gives me a surface area that's equal to 100.48 inches squared. Let's look at another one. Here's a soccer ball. The standard soccer ball has a diameter that's equal to 22 centimeters. Can you use this measurement to figure out the surface area of a soccer ball? Here's our soccer ball once again. Now we know that the diameter is equal to 22 centimeters. But we need the radius for our formula. So the radius is half the diameter. So we can say that the radius of this soccer ball is 11 centimeters. Now let's look at our formula once again. Surface area is equal to 4 pi times the radius. Surface area is equal to 4 times 3.14 times 11. Surface area is equal to 4 times 34.54. So given these measurements, the surface area of a soccer ball is equal to 138.16 centimeters squared.